Xiaomi launches new Redmi TV X 2026 with mini LED, up to 288 Hz refresh rate and 1200 night peak brightness. The new Redmi TV X 2026 raises the bar for affordable 4K TVs, bringing an 85-inch mini LED display and high-end features at a budget-friendly price. The TV is launching first in China and is expected to hit global markets early next year. The Redmi TV X 2026 is Xiaomi's newest 4K TV that aims to democratize the mini LED tech. A direct successor to last year's Redmi TV X 2025, it boasts jaw-dropping specs for the price. The biggest highlight of the Redmi TV X 2026 is obviously its mini LED display, a first for the Redmi TV series. The 85-inch panel boasts 640 local dimming zones and an explosive peak brightness of up to 2200 nits to deliver an OLED-like inky blacks and vibrant colors. The TV also has a new light sensor which automatically adapts the screen brightness and color temperature to match the ambient lighting, and a dedicated filmmaker mode that promises a more faithful reproduction of content by turning off all of the post-processing enhancements like motion smoothing, AI upscaling, and noise reduction. The Redmi TV X 2026 also boasts impressive specs for gamers, offering a 4K 144Hz native refresh rate out of the box for smooth visuals, with the ability to push it all the way up to 288 Hz using a dedicated mode. The resolution, however, tops out at 2560 x 1440 in this mode. You also get support for VRR, variable refresh rate, a game mode with presets for different genres, AMD FreeSync Premium certification for 4ms ultra-low latency, and Dolby Vision gaming support. The processing package appears to be unchanged from last year's model, with the new TV seemingly still powered by a MediaTek MT9655 quad-core processor with 4 ARM Cortex-A7 3 cores and Mali G52 MC1 GPU paired with 4GB RAM and 64GB onboard storage. The TV runs Xiaomi's newest HyperOS 3 interface out of the box. The Redmi TV X 2026 is now available in China for 4,800 yuan, 674. It's only available in an 85-inch size, with no word yet on global availability. Considering that previous X series models eventually launched outside China under different branding, this one will likely follow the same path. Redmi TV X 2026 specifications. Resolution 3840x2160, 4K UHD. Refresh rate 288 Hz. Gaming mode 100 Hz native. VRR support panel. Type mini LED with 640 backlight zones. Screen size 85 inches peak. Brightness 1200 nits. Black level 0.1 nits. OLED compatible. Dynamic contrast ratio 12,000.1 color. Accuracy DE2 color. Gamut DCI-P3. 94% HDR 10+, Dolby Vision Gaming, Filmmaker Mode, Ambient Light Sensor, Xiaomi Qingshan Eye Protection with 20 Hz, Ultra High Frequency Local Dimming. Ports, HDMI 3 ports, 2x HDMI 2.1 with EARC support, USB 2 ports, 1x USB 3.0 AV input 1 port, ATV DTMB 1 port, Ethernet 1 port SPDIF, 1 optical fiber port connectivity, Wi-Fi. 6 dual-band Bluetooth 5.2, infrared support, AirPlay, Miracast support, My Home integration. Hardware, CPU, MediaTek MT9655, Cortex-A7 3 quad-core, GPU, Mali G52, 2EE, MC1 RAM, 4GB storage, 64GB speaker system, Dual 15W, 30W total sound output, software, HyperOS 3. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment, love to hear what you think.